Future is quietly weaving its own international story. Every warp and weft is a commitment to quality and aesthetics. Future Textile Co. Led. Covers an area of 50 acres and has more than 170 employees and more than 10 professional technicians. It is a comprehensive enterprise integrating chemical fiber fabric weaving, printing and dyeing finishing, finished fabrics, and home textile production and sales trade. The company has more than 500 extra-wide water jet looms, 5 high-speed texturing machines, 4 domestic high-speed warping machines, and related printing and dyeing finishing equipment. The daily output of various home textile fabrics reaches 130,000 meters, and it is committed to creating comfortable, fashionable, and practical home products. Future's products are sold well in many countries and regions such as Europe, Africa, Southeast Asia, and South America, with stable quality and flexible customization services. It has won wide recognition and trust from overseas customers. The company independently develops extra-wide home textile fabrics and functional home textile fabrics, and has always been at the forefront of the industry. Walking into Future's modern production workshop, what comes into view is a set of highly efficient intelligent equipment: high-speed texturing machine, water jet loom, high-speed warp drawing machine, sewing machine, computer quilting, and embroidery all in one machine. Future always adheres to quality first and has formulated internal control management specifications that are stricter than industry standards. From raw material procurement, design proofing to finished product testing, every step is strictly controlled. The company took the lead in passing ISO 9001 and system certification and established the comprehensive management advantages of quality, environmental protection, and safety. The company is well aware of corporate responsibility. Future comprehensively promotes green production. In addition, the company also installs a solar photovoltaic power generation system on the roof of the factory building as industrial electricity for the enterprise, maximize energy conservation and consumption reduction, and invest in building a sewage treatment center to achieve zero discharge of production sewage. The greatest significance is to practice the environmental protection concept of green water and green mountains are gold and silver mountains. Future's products cover multiple series such as bedding sets, cushions, curtains, etc., focusing on the perfect combination of detailed texture and home practicality. The company's jacquard fabrics have clear layers, exquisite embroidery details, fine and uniform quilting stitches, and exquisite color matching. Each finished product not only has an elegant appearance, but also has the inherent quality of durability and comfortable touch. Future Textiles uses quality to build trust, drives the future with technology, and leads the world with green.